Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did my little mini DIY collage wall. So I have seen these literally everywhere on the internet, like everywhere. And I tried to buy one, but they go for about $80 to $90, which for me personally is insane. So I decided to make my own. I really love how it turned out and I really think it is the cutest thing ever. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. Okay, so to start off, what I did was I went onto Pinterest and I literally just searched up aesthetic pictures or like vintage aesthetics, and I just started scrolling through Pinterest and picking pictures that I thought were cute and that I liked and that kind of had the same vibe or aesthetic. After that, I went into Shutterfly and I just went on their website and I printed the basic pictures because they let you print a certain, I think it's 4x6s that they let you print for free, and then all you have to pay is the shipping, and the shipping for me was literally $3. And I waited for the pictures to come. It took about a week or two for the pictures to come, so keep that in mind. So once the pictures came, I could finally get started, and now we get into the actual tutorial part of the video. Okay, so this is where I'm going to hang the pictures up. I just need to move the dresser out of the way and then take everything that's on the wall off so that I can start arranging my pictures and hanging them up. Okay, so now that everything is off the wall and out of the way, I'm actually going to start arranging the pictures on the floor so I can kind of have a template and then transfer that template up to the wall so I don't have to be sticking and taking off pictures every second. I can just kind of arrange them on the floor and then put it up here. So now that I have the collage that I want, I'm going to take some double-sided tape and I'm just going to start taping it onto my wall. And I'm also going to take a picture of it so that I can look at the picture while I'm putting it up in case I mess this up. Okay, so I did a basic for sticking it on the wall, so now I'm just going to take some more tape and I'm going to stick it behind the rest of these. And I have a few more pictures, so I might add like one or two like personal pictures on the side here to kind of even it out, but I'll see how it goes. So now everything is officially stuck onto the wall and secured, so now all that's left to do is move everything back. So here is the final product. I think it is literally the cutest thing ever. I am so in love with it. Let me know if you guys try it out. You can tag me on my Instagram. Make sure you comment down below any other ideas you have and subscribe for new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!